welcome back to CCR Community. Today, Chef Kevin Ford is going to do a quick little lesson with an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can simply do this recipe using a saute pan or an oven. He's going to do a quick little chicken cutlet with a light little salad.
Hi CCR Community. Today we're going to be making crispy air fryer chicken cutlets. So if you got an air fryer for Christmas and it's still in the box, it's time to break it out. Really skeptical about air fryers at first, but my wife's won me over with it. Really convenient, low mess, easy to use. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to correctly pound and season chicken breast, put a great standard breading on it. We're going to air fry it, and then we're eating this tonight with a simple salad and lemon vinaigrette like a chicken Milanese. But these same cutlets can be used for either a chicken parm, a crispy chicken sandwich, put buffalo sauce on it, whatever, however you want to do a chicken. So really good stuff. Check it out. Have fun.
Thank you. Please stay tuned to the club's Facebook, website, Instagram, club emails, and this YouTube channel. Click below to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.